Welcome to our channel Srikanth Adventures. So here we came up with another video which is part 2 of Decathlon store. We have got a lot of new stuff and we are going to explain it one by one. And also, as mentioned earlier, a month back, we have announced the winners at the end of the video. So I request everyone to watch the entire video and also hear the lucky winners that were announced and directly message us in our Instagram so that we can send you the gift vouchers through messages. And everyone, please do. You're all watching the video, but you're not subscribing. So I request everyone, please do watch our video. Please do like, share, subscribe, and comment. So whatever suggestions, if you wanted to give us, please do suggest them in the comment box.
Preferences, like if you want us to do a food video or food review videos or something like that, please do comment. We will definitely come up with that video as well.
Yeah, definitely.
Hi all! Welcome to our channel Srikanth Adventures.
A good news to all the fishing lovers. We got new stock at Decathlon.
And we are going to show everything in detail. Let's go. We have got new varieties of fishing rods, lures, fishing lines and larger nets. This is Essential Lure Telescope 240 fishing rod with Caperlan rear drag reel, designed for lure fishing in the sea for fresh water. It's telescopic with 6 sections made up of fiberglass. The length of the rod is 2.40 m and the weight is around 200 gram. The transport length is 5.56 meters and the casting weight is between 40 grams to 60 grams. It's costing around 1499 rupees. That's a good deal.
This is U-Fish C240 fishing exploration set. This was designed for beginners for sea fishing from boat or from the shore. It is made up of fiberglass. It has size 3000 bauxite reel equipped with 220 meters of 0.35 mm line front drag. And also they have given the complete set of it. You need not separately tie all the knots, poppers, weights and hooks. So it is all readily available. So it has one multi-hook rig, one plug bait, these are soft lures, earthworms. It's around 7 feet. The price is around 2,399. I guess it's more helpful for amateurs like me who are still at the learning stage. This is a similar set which is from the same brand U-Fish. It is equipped with reel and also all the readily available poppers, weights and fishing line.
The quality is good as well. But this has 4 sections. So it is around 5 to 6 feet. This is U-Fish Caperlan 3.50. It comes along with a fishing rod and the equipped set for all the beginners, and it includes the same. The difference is of the size. This is a little bigger one, and it has 6 sections and the weight, and it is around 7 to 8 feet. And this is First Fish Travel 300 fishing rod. Which is Caperlan branded. This is designed to allow beginners to easily start angling for small fish in fresh water. The lines are pre-rigged with floaters, so you can catch your fish without delay. So it has a lid or a cap. You can just open it, and if you release, the rod comes out. You can see a small hole at the tip of the rod where you can fix the fishing line and the weights that were given along with the set. This is a bigger one of the same kind. The unfolded rod is 500 meters in length, and you remove the cap and release the rod. This is ledgering combo Recifite 100 3.50. This is for all types of ledgering, particularly when fishing for big predators. You can buy it along with reel. It comes with a reel. The rod is very strong enough, as you can see, and you can find it around 3 to 4 sections. The size of it is around 5 to 6 feet. This is Jig Star 5.5, designed for jig fishing when you go on boat into the sea. It's Caperlan branded. And the foam handle offers a comfortable grip on the rod. We generally use it for jig fishing. And the rod is used for jigging 3.5 ounces to 7 ounce jigs. Yeah, it's very strong and looking cool. These are multi-hook lines with feather rigs which are used for seawater fishing. As you can see, the feathers imitate the color of krill, attracting the fish to the assembly. The price is around $6.99 and these are 5 in quantity inside. And this is Tarot Dye's 2 holographic predator fishing spinner for predator lure fishing. The highly attractive flashes draw predators fish into the lure and the vibration from spinners triggers predator attacks. And these are single hooked soft lures.
And these are jig heads. They got this new stock and its weight is around 14 grams. It looks better than the last one what they had. We can use them in salt water and fresh water as well. And this is sea fish net, 190 centimeter, is used for sea anglers to land the big fish. The aluminium frame and the mesh makes it very strong. This is fishing line, 100% Fluorocarbon 25M. It's for all type of fishing. This line is invisible in the water. Is ideal for fishing the rarest fish. This is polymer line suitable for both freshwater and seawater.
This is floating fishing plug bait. The rattling beads, which you can see, they attract the hidden predators. And here we have this long drilled olive 5 compartment fishing sinkers box. You can see 8 grams, 10 grams, 4 grams, 5 grams sinkers. So these are designed for leisuring in freshwater currents. And you can see different varieties of hooks of different sizes.
So here is a big day. We are going to announce, as promised, we are going to announce the 3 lucky winners. And so the lucky winners are, we have selected from their YouTube channels, those who commented. So their names are Ritesh Paturi.
Congratulations, Ritesh.
And the second one is Legendary Killer.
Congratulations.
And the third person is Blue Gamer.
Congratulations.
All the 3 lucky winners, please do directly text us on our Instagram so that we can send you the Amazon gift coupons.
And we have one more good news for you.
For 2,000 subscribers, we are going to announce 3 giveaways. So now we are at 600. So 1400 more subscribers are required for this. So the first person would be receiving a Cosmic Byte headset, which is a gaming headset. And the second person would be receiving an Infinity Bluetooth neckband.
And the third person would be receiving Amazon gift voucher worth 1,000 rupees.
So
yeah, many more to come. This is just the beginning, and keep supporting us. Please do subscribe up to our channel, like, share, and comment.
And those who are subscribing recently, please do comment whichever giveaway you need. If you are liking for a Cosmic Byte headphone gaming headset, please do comment as Cosmic Byte. And if you are looking for an Infinity headset, comment as Infinity. And those who want an Amazon gift coupon of 1,000 rupees worth, please do comment the same, so that it would be helping us to easily draw the lucky winner.
Please do make us 2000 family.